Okay, so what we're doing today is we're install a how-to video on how to install the bumpers on a 9000 series cutter. All works the same on an 8000. Okay, there's M20 tapped holes in the back of a chopper that they all come with. There's 3 here, and there's 3 here. You install our left and right hand brackets as shown here. This is all included on the instructions pamphlet that you will get with your bumper. You put the M20s on first, then you put the 3/4, excuse me, on the sides. There's 3 here. Once you get them hanging on there, there's 5/8 threaded that go inside the cutter. All the holes are already on the cutter. We just strategically engineered them to be bolted on just like this. All of our bumpers require this base. So when you order a bumper, a basic bumper, you get the base with it, with the instructions on how to put this on the chopper. And then we're going to show you here in a minute. We're going to dump this on and show you how to install the regular bumper pad one on the chopper. Once you get it lined up in place, if you do have a skid loader at home, put the forks on it. A forklift is a little bit more forgiving. We line it all up in the chopper. I forgot to mention, when you're working in the back of your chopper, move the spout out of the way so you don't accidentally hit it with your forklift, payloader, skid loader. Once these are all hand snug in, it will not move off the base. So you can move your lifting equipment out of the way. Once you have those snug, use your 1 1/8 wrench. And I like to use a little swivel because there's 4 bolts. You got to install on the bottom here too. We have a lot of holes designed in there so you can get your fingers and stuff around it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That is assembled on the machine.